Hello dear fans. How to determine the depth of water. When building a house, a cellar, or a cesspool, arranging drainage systems in a suburban area and constructing wells and pools, it is very important to know how deep the groundwater is. What methods are there for this? It is necessary. Garden or spoon drill. Instructions. Step 1. It should be noted that on flat areas, the depth of groundwater, over the surface, is almost the same. In areas with an uneven surface, the groundwater is shallower at lower locations. Step 2. If the area is swampy, this means that the water level is at a shallow depth, usually less than 1 meter. When water is poured into shallow depressions, one can speak of the presence of groundwater at a sufficiently high level, that is, above ground level. With a large amount of precipitation, the water level can rise, and during dry periods, accordingly, decrease. If water comes to the surface, then the water surface can be determined directly by the water level on the ground. Step 3. When the water level is below the surface of the earth, it is necessary to drill wells with a small diameter. For this purpose, a long garden drill, for a depth of up to 2 meters, or a professional spoon drill is used, which allows you to drill and take soil samples at a considerable depth, up to 5 meters. The water level after drilling is measured after 24 hours. If after 3 to 5 days the level has not changed, then it is the correct value that can be used during construction. Step 4. If the water occurs at a greater depth, you should carefully study the surrounding area, inspect wells, springs, quarries, surface depressions, etc. Taking into account the topography of the area, you can roughly name the depth of the waters. If the waters are not found at a depth of 3 to 5 meters, then you should not look for them. They are safe when building the foundation of buildings. If a mine well or well is being built, then information about the groundwater is required. Additionally, it is necessary to find out what rocks the soil contains, which has groundwater. For this, an additional survey is carried out, a soil sample is taken. Thanks for watching.